understand what I am saying.
It's going to be a good fight.
It's going to be a very good fight. You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
And today we're here in Eagle Rock and we're checking out
Chateau Lemongrass. You heard me right. It sounds really fancy.
Fancy.
It's fancy. We wanted to live life a little bit today, so we came to get some fun.
Yeah, it's cold, right?
Yeah, it's really cold.
So, in a cold day, the best thing I like to do is get some hot pho. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
And they got something else. Let's go.
Some pho tacos, baby.
I'm about to pho this up. For show.
For show.
For show.
For real. We about to pho this up.
Oh, I'm about to pho this up right here.
For show.
We had to pause for a second because we had to take some pictures. It was for the gram.
For real.
For real. All right, so.
We about to pho it up. Yeah? For show.
So this has the brisket meat. So this is their pho taco, right? And this is one of their pho and most popular dishes. And so basically it has all the essentials that you put in pho.
Yeah.
You got the bean sprouts, you got cilantro, you got the brisket, the onions.
And then you got the hoisin sauce, which is like the most important, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you got
that kicker to it.
Gotta put it with the pho. Phenomenal.
It's so fucking awesome. Yeah?
Oh, fucking delicious.
Yo, so we've had pho tacos at 818 or 626 Night Market. And I don't know, I think these are better.
Dude, these are bomb. Like I saw this on their Yelp. And I was just like, oh.
I love that pho site.
Yeah. Why'd you steal my punch? But yeah, I saw that and I was like, oh, we going for a show.
Alright. Yeah, we got here, it was kind of like, not a lot of people here. But then as time went on, it's pretty packed.
It seems like they get really good traffic. People just come in, get food, get out.
Yep.
More people come in.
And there's great hospitality here for sure.
Oh, dude. Yeah, the
owners though. Came and showed us some love for show,
And you cannot pass up on the Vietnamese coffee.
Yeah.
It's strong here, but it's good.
Even Tim can drink it because it's condensed milk. Can you believe that? I didn't know there was a difference.
I didn't know.
I went with the Sing Tao. You know what I'm saying? Really good beer.
You know it's good pho? When they just like slow cook that broth for like hours and hours and hours. So you gotta put some basils on this.
All right, you gotta do the basil stuff?
Yeah, you gotta put basil.
All right, I'm gonna follow your lead.
Put some bean sprouts on that. You gotta put some sriracha to make it a little hot.
Or you can put the jalapenos,
You gotta put some of this hoisin sauce. Yeah,
I've been waiting for this all day.
Oh man. I can eat pho forever.
Forever. Damn, son.
Oh man, their broth here is good. Their broth here is good.
You could just if you look inside the spoon when you put the juice, you see all the particles of
it's like
good fat.
Clear goodness. We got the all meat one. So the all meat one has the brisket, the rare steak, the meatballs. Exactly how I like it. That's perfect.
So the noodles are perfect. It's like almost imagine angel hair pasta, you know what I mean? Really thin, perfect texture.
What I like about pho is when you get a bowl of pho and you eat it, you're stuck. 2 hours later, you're hungry.
Yep.
It just goes through your body like nothing.
It's like milk for someone who's lactose.
They got some other dishes too. I saw that they had this banana dumpling. It was like a dessert, but that thing looked bomb. I don't know. They got quite a few items that you could try out.
Yeah.
So.
And it's a nice little place. There's a few shops around here, so you can kind of make a day out of it. Just walk up and down.
Yeah.
It's right down the street from Bubblicious, which is one of our favorites.
If you guys never checked that place out, check out that video.
Yep.
But their broth here is really good. I love pho. Like, I literally have pho like at least once a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For life.
It's pho life.
It's pho for life.
Pho for life. And so they got their crispy shrimp with rice here. Let's check this out. This is how we take pictures for Instagram. Let's try this
This is the chili sauce? That's that sweet chili.
sweet chili sauce. Look at this. This is a beautiful dish. It's like you got your greens, you got your rice, you got your protein.
And as Sonny would say, you have the party starter, which is the rice.
Oh, yeah, that was rough.
Yeah. That
It's a
is
little,
good.
it's nice and crunchy. It's like enough salt. Like, it has like just enough of the salty flavor where
Yep.
it's not overbearing. But dude, it's great.
And then you put it with that chili sauce. It's on fire.
And this is really good with it goes good with these onions and
You eat the tail too?
nah. I just
I don't know, because the tail's right there, you know?
that's what you do. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah.
Yeah, literally, I would come and just be like, yo, can I just get a bowl of the soup? The broth? And you're good. You just
Yeah.
knock that back.
I'm glad we tried other things out because like we literally came here just for the pho tacos,
Yep.
but their pho here is
Yeah. It's phenomenal.
phenomenal. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
9021 pho? Nah, just kidding. Just
Nah.
kidding.
That place sucks, by the way.
Yeah, man, I think I've had a decent amount of pho and it's been pretty good. So I recommend check it out. Glendale, again, quick stop.
And if you guys know any other pho spots you want us to check out or any other places you want us to check out, let us know in the comments below.
Yep.
Also,
Hit that subscribe button.
hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos just like this one.
Yes, sir.
What else they gotta do?
They gotta tell their family and friends.
You gotta share it with your family and friends.
I messed up. You see Sonny, you should see the look he gave you right now. So you gotta share this with your family and friends.
Because they'll love it.
And catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace. Hey, I never normally say that part, okay? I normally say the second part.